Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our weekly update video. This is actually going out on a Saturday. I didn't get a chance to do this yesterday, so I'm doing this today from home. It's a lovely sunny day outside, so I'll make this quick inshallah. So first of all, this week, 3 words of the week were desiccated, which means having all the water removed or something that's very dry. Dissent, meaning to disagree. And enigma is someone or something that is difficult to understand or explain. So this week we also had idiom of the week, and the idiom was my ears are burning, which basically means when you think or you know people are talking about you. Our stars of the week this week were 5 stars. The first one is Subaida in year 10, won the star for listening. Respect went to Moza in year 8 for respect. Perseverance went to Safana in year 8, and organization went to Safa in year 7, and teamwork went to Sarah Siddiqui in year 10. So well done, our 5 stars. Well, obviously we have now started half term, so today is the first day of the half term. So year 11 have an extra revision lesson for Arabic, which is going to be preparation for their writing exam. So that is on Tuesday between 9 and 1 p.m. So everyone who's sitting the Arabic GCSE exam needs to attend that inshallah and get that extra bit of help before their writing exam. Also want to add that on when we come back to school, the netball club will be running from on Thursdays. So moving forward, netball club is going to be run on Thursdays. And just to say as well that there is still scope for students to join the club. If your daughter is interested, please just let the office know and attend. They are looking for more students to participate. They are planning to hold a match towards the end of the year, a teacher versus students match. So if you think that might be something that you would like your daughter to participate in, please do get her to sign up, inshallah. The other thing was, so we've started half term, and when we go back to school, year 7, 8 and 9 have their assessment weeks straight away. So just a reminder to, you all have a copy of the exam timetable. Do have a look at it. Make sure they are revising over the half-term break. I would say about maths and the Sparks homework, that it's an excellent tool for revision for maths. So when you log into Sparks at the dashboard on the left-hand side, there is a compulsory homework element, but then there are 2 additional homework elements that are set every week. So one is for extension and one is support. It's called XP Boost and something else which I can't remember, but it's extra practice. Then at the bottom on the left hand side there is a tab that says independent learning, and your daughter can go in there and just type in the topic that she needs to revise and do lots and lots of questions on that. So it's a really good tool to use in preparation for the upcoming exams, inshallah. And you can just monitor and see if she's going to spend 30 minutes, an hour doing that. 30 minutes a day will be better than doing 2-hour revision session just the day before her exam, inshallah. So that's for our year 7s to 9s. Year 10, of course, will have their end of year exams, which we are calling running as mock exams. So they will be taking place on the 3rd week after half term. So they've got 3 weeks to revise. And this week they've had 2 sessions. One with myself where I helped the group develop a draft revision plan, and I have emailed that out, as well as a PowerPoint I used to parents and to students as well. I've given some copies of that as well. So just showing how to break down the revision day by day, just to make sure that they can cover all the topics in the time allocated, and also giving them a rough idea about how much work they should be aiming to do during the half term, which I'm suggesting between 6 to 8 hours of revision a day. Then when they get back to school, how much should they be aiming for? So it's quite self-explanatory, and we have had a good a discussion on that as well, and students have received that. Also on Thursday, I believe, Usada Sanam did a revision session with the year 10s where she looked at actually different ways of revising. So revision isn't just about open your textbook and read it. That's probably the worst form of revision. So she went through techniques, for example, mind mapping, answering questions, to fact recall. There's online places that you can go to, websites where you can do quick quizzes and things like that. So she gave a range of revision techniques and styles that you can use, inshallah. So hopefully the year 10s are set up now to have a successful end of year exams, inshallah. And the main thing is to use the next 3 weeks, particularly the half-term week, really wisely and effectively to get the most of the revision done, inshallah. So for their mock exam week, year 10 only come in for their exam, and we'll be running it like the real GCSE exam. So they will be on the exam desks, and they will be in the main hall for all the exams as well. Other than that, I just wanted to also mention about Eid. So we will be taking the Wednesday, Thursday and Friday off for Eid. So the Yom al-Arafah is included in the holiday, as well as 2 days for Eid, just because the Yom al-Arafah is such an important day in the Islamic calendar, and lots of us will be fasting, inshallah, and using that day for ibadah. So we've decided to go with the Wednesday, Thursday and Friday off for Eid. So that's the 28th, 29th and 30th of June. Finally, I just wanted to mention about Sisters Evening. So we've already had some parents asking us and people in the community about Sisters Evening. So we have a date booked for Sisters Evening. It's Sunday, the 2nd of July. We haven't started selling tickets yet, but I'd just like to tell you so you can mark your diaries. And for all the new parents who don't know what that is, so Sisters Evening is an event that we hold annually, where you can have... I'm in a video. So you can have an evening of just girls, women only. So it can be your daughters, mums, aunts, sisters, any female member of the family or friends can come along there. You can dress up. There's a 3-course meal. We have some games and puzzles, which are quite fun as well. So that is going to be taking place on Sunday, the 2nd of July. So it's the weekend after Eid, inshallah. So if you mark your diaries, and of course I'll let everyone know when we start selling tickets for that. Other than that, I think that's all I've got today, inshallah. So I hope you all have a lovely half term, and the weather, inshallah, will be really nice this week. Do get to make sure your daughter goes outside and get some fresh air and some vitamin D, inshallah. And of course, do make sure she gets busy with some revision as well. Okay, assalamu alaikum.